Okay. Yeah. This is them before they leave. There's George's little cage. She's going to stay in. And here's Chloe. She seems, I know it's a small cage, but she seems to have settled down. This is the cage she used to live in. How sad is that? Chloe! Hi, baby. You're okay. You're okay. She seems calm. That's her scratching. Hi, and should I put this big perch on top? Hopefully they'll be able to, I don't know. Hi, Georgia. Yeah, you're okay. So that's how they are right before I leave. So I hope the trip goes well. It's very stressful for me as I'm worried about them. Okay. Bye, babies. Say bye, Chloe. Georgia, I mean. Bye, Georgia. Yeah. You look worried. You look okay. All right. Bye-bye.